Hello everybody, welcome back to the channel, or welcome if you're new here. Our Amazon find for today is the CeraVe Eye Repair Cream. It's received 4.3 out of 5 stars and over 60,000 have been purchased in the past month alone on Amazon. Specially formulated by dermatologists, this cream targets dark circles, puffiness, and fine lines for visibly smoother and brighter appearance. Infused with 3 essential ceramides like hyaluronic acid, it helps restore the skin's protective barrier while developing deep hydration. The lightweight, non-greasy formula absorbs quickly and is perfect for sensitive skin. Whether you need to combat signs of aging or recover from a sleepless night, CeraVe Eye Repair Cream offers the targeted care your eyes deserve. Rediscover the confidence in your gaze today. So, how do you use it? Start with a clean, dry face. Take a small amount of the cream on your fingertip, about the size of a pea. Dot the cream around your eye area, including under the eyes and on the brow bone. Be careful not to apply it too close to your eyes to avoid irritation. Use twice a day, morning and night, for best results. Check out the link in the description box or simply scan the QR code. Like, comment, and subscribe for more Amazon finds.